The silky chickens are paying attention to something. There is a king parrot. It is perched on the top of the chicken coop. The contrast between the orange and green is vivid. This is a male. The female does not have such vivid colors. It flew. It perched on the chair. It's large, about 40 centimeters. It perched on the tree. It's moving around. It's squeaking quietly. The silky chickens are wandering around. They're probably curious. It flew from the eaves to the chicken coop. The bird is chirping. It's looking at the camera. This posture. Wow, it came over here, then it flew away. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.